Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Today, we're moving beyond joins and looking at another important concept: set operations, starting with union and union all. So what are union and union all? They are used to combine the results of two or more queries into a single result set. Let's go step by step. The union operator combines results and removes duplicates. That means if the same row appears in both queries, it will only appear once in the final output. On the other hand, union all combines results as they are, without removing duplicates. So if the same row appears in both queries, you'll see it multiple times in the final output. Now, let's use an example with our customers and orders tables. Suppose we want to list all customer IDs from both tables, from the customers table and from the orders table. We can write, select customer ID. From customers, union, select customer ID. From orders, this query will return a single list of customer IDs, with duplicates removed. So if a customer exists in both tables, they will only appear once. If we use union all instead, select customer ID. From customers, union all, select customer ID. From orders, now, if a customer ID appears in both tables, you'll see it twice in the output. No duplicate elimination happens here. One important rule to remember is that the queries combined with union or union all must have the same number of columns, and those columns must have compatible data types. So to summarize, union gives you distinct results, while union all gives you all results including duplicates. And that's it for today's video on union and union all in BigQuery. These operators are simple but very powerful when you want to merge results from different queries. In our next video, we'll continue with more SQL operations that are useful for data engineering in BigQuery. Thanks for watching Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.